Here's a 2014 Cadillac CTS Sedan. One look at this masterpiece sets the expectations high. One drive in the CTS and expectations are exceeded. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. External memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, voice activation, heated steering wheel, sport suspension, rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection remarks, "The Cadillac CTS continues to compete with the best from Mercedes-Benz and BMW with a distinctly American approach, boasting some of the top tech features in its class. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today."
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.